Dynamic prompting, transforming business analysis with adaptive AI techniques. Introduction. The integration of generative AI in business analysis is reshaping how professionals approach their work, offering innovative tools to streamline processes and enhance results. Among these tools, dynamic prompting stands out as a transformative technique. By enabling adaptive, context-aware interactions with AI systems, dynamic prompting allows business analysts to refine elicitation processes, validate requirements, and evaluate solutions in real time. This white paper delves into the concept of dynamic prompting, its alignment with the Babok V3 framework, and its value in improving key business analysis activities. It also offers practical examples and best practices to help analysts effectively implement this technique. What is dynamic prompting? Dynamic prompting is an advanced AI technique for business analysts that involves crafting prompts capable of evolving based on user feedback, contextual changes, or iterative refinements. Unlike static prompts that provide one-off responses, dynamic prompts adapt during interactions to deliver increasingly relevant and accurate outputs. Contextually, one-off relevant interaction, adaptive to fixed response feedback nature. Dynamic prompts, static prompts, comparing adaptability and relevance in AI prompts. Key features of dynamic prompting. Adaptability. Prompts adjust dynamically to reflect new information or changing requirements. Iterative refinement. Outputs improve over multiple iterations, ensuring alignment with stakeholder needs. Context. Awareness. Prompts incorporate relevant data and context to generate precise responses. Dynamic prompting is particularly valuable in iterative elicitation techniques, where continuous refinement and stakeholder feedback are essential for success. How dynamic prompting aligns with Babok V3. The Babok V3 framework outlines 6 core knowledge areas essential for effective business analysis. Dynamic prompting aligns with several of these areas, enhancing the quality and efficiency of related activities. Dynamic prompting's impact on business analysis, elicitation, and collaboration. Requirements. Life cycle. Requirements. Enhanced analysis, business analysis. Solution activities. Evaluation, planning, and monitoring strategy analysis 1. Elicitation and collaboration. Babok context. This knowledge area focuses on preparing for and conducting elicitation activities, confirming results, and collaborating with stakeholders throughout the process. Dynamic prompting value. Real-time adaptation. During stakeholder interviews or workshops, dynamic prompts can adapt based on responses. For example, initial prompt. What challenges do you face in your current reporting process? Follow-up prompt, based on response. Can you elaborate on how delays in approvals impact your team's productivity? Deeper insights. Adaptive questioning uncovers hidden needs or pain points that static questions might overlook. Improved stakeholder engagement. By tailoring prompts to stakeholder input, analysts can foster more meaningful conversations. 2. Requirements. Life cycle management. Babok. Context. This area involves managing requirements from inception to retirement, while ensuring traceability and alignment with business objectives. Dynamic prompting. Value. Traceability support. Prompts can dynamically trace dependencies between requirements. For instance, initial prompt. List all dependencies for requirement A. Follow-up prompt. How does requirement A impact downstream processes? Change management. As requirements evolve, dynamic prompts can adjust to reflect new priorities or constraints. Consistency across lifecycle. Adaptive prompts ensure that requirements remain aligned with business goals throughout their lifecycle. 3. Requirements analysis and design definition. Babok context. This area focuses on specifying and modeling requirements, validating information, and defining potential solutions. Dynamic prompting. Value. Iterative refinement of requirements. Prompts can help refine requirement models through multiple iterations. For example, initial prompt. Generate a use case diagram for the proposed solution. Follow-up prompt. Adjust the diagram to include alternate scenarios. Validation support. Prompts can dynamically validate requirements against constraints or business rules. Enhanced modeling. By iteratively refining models or designs based on feedback, analysts can ensure accuracy and completeness. 4. Solution evaluation. Babok context. This area involves assessing solution performance and identifying ways to increase value delivery. Dynamic prompting value. Performance assessment. Prompts can guide analysts through solution evaluation by adapting based on performance metrics. For example, initial prompt. Evaluate the solution's performance against baseline metrics. Follow-up prompt. What adjustments could improve metric X? Actionable recommendations. Adaptive prompts can suggest optimizations tailored to underperforming areas. Continuous improvement. By iteratively refining evaluation criteria or recommendations, analysts can maximize solution value. 5. Business analysis planning and monitoring (BABOK). Context. This area focuses on defining the approach for business analysis activities and monitoring their performance. Dynamic prompting. Value, flexible planning. Support. Prompts can adapt as project scope or priorities change. For instance, initial prompt. Define the business analysis approach for this project. Follow-up prompt. Adjust the approach to account for new stakeholder priorities. Monitoring assistance. Adaptive prompts help track progress against plans and identify areas needing adjustment. Improved resource allocation. By dynamically adjusting plans based on real-time feedback, analysts can optimize resource use. 6. Strategy analysis, (BABOK) context. This area involves defining the current state, future state, assessing risks, and recommending strategies to achieve desired outcomes. Dynamic prompting value, current state analysis. Prompts can adapt based on stakeholder input to refine understanding of the current state. Risk assessment. Dynamic prompts guide analysts through risk identification and mitigation planning. Future state definition. Iterative refinement ensures that future state definitions are realistic and aligned with strategic goals. Enhance business analysis with dynamic prompting implement. Adaptive prompts for stakeholder engagement. Clear, aligned, inconsistent future state stakeholder input definitions hampers analysis. Achieved. Benefits of dynamic prompting in business analysis. Dynamic prompting offers numerous benefits that directly enhance business analysis. Activities. 1. Enhanced stakeholder engagement. By using adaptive prompts tailored to stakeholder input, analysts can foster deeper conversations that uncover hidden needs or concerns. This improves collaboration and ensures that all perspectives are considered during elicitation sessions. 2. Improved requirements quality. The iterative nature of dynamic prompting ensures that requirements are complete, accurate, and aligned with business objectives. Adaptive prompts help identify gaps or inconsistencies early in the process. 3. Faster decision-making. Dynamic prompts streamline decision analysis by presenting tailored options based on evolving criteria or constraints. This reduces time spent on manual analysis while improving decision quality. 4. Increased efficiency. By reducing the need for rephrasing or clarifying questions during interactions, dynamic prompting saves time while maintaining focus on key objectives. 5. Better solution outcomes. Through iterative refinement, during solution evaluation, adaptive prompts ensure that recommendations are actionable and aligned with performance goals. Practical applications of dynamic prompting. Here are some real-world scenarios where dynamic prompting can be applied effectively. Scenario 1. Stakeholder interviews. During an elicitation session, a generative AI tool uses dynamic prompting to refine questions based on stakeholder responses. 1. Analyst asks, "What challenges do you face in your current workflow?" 2. AI follows up. "Are these challenges related to data accuracy, accessibility, or both?" Scenario 2. Requirements validation. While validating requirements with stakeholders, 1. Initial prompt. Does this requirement align with project objectives? 2. Follow-up prompt. What additional details are needed to ensure alignment? Scenario 3. Solution evaluation. During solution evaluation, 1. Initial prompt. How does the solution perform against baseline metrics? 2. Follow-up prompt. What adjustments could improve metric X? Best practices for implementing dynamic prompting. To maximize the effectiveness of dynamic prompting in business analysis. 1. Start with clear objectives. Define what you aim to achieve with each interaction. For example, eliciting requirements, validating solutions. 2. Incorporate contextual data. Provide relevant background information to ensure prompts are context-aware. 3. Leverage iterative feedback. Use stakeholder feedback or generated outputs to refine subsequent prompts. 4. Maintain traceability. Ensure that each iteration builds upon previous outputs for consistency across lifecycle stages. 5. Test and optimize prompts. Regularly test dynamic prompts for clarity and effectiveness in achieving desired outcomes. Dynamic prompting best practices. Test and optimize traceability. Iterative feedback. Contextual data. Clear objectives. Conclusion. Dynamic prompting is a powerful tool that enables business analysts to leverage AI systems more effectively while adhering to Babok v3 principles. By using adaptive prompts during elicitation sessions, requirement validation processes, lifecycle management activities, and solution evaluations, analysts can significantly enhance their productivity and deliver better outcomes for stakeholders. As businesses increasingly adopt AI-driven tools for productivity improvements, mastering techniques like dynamic prompt engineering will be critical for staying ahead in this evolving field. By incorporating this approach into your practice as a business analyst, you'll not only improve your efficiency, but also deliver greater value to your organization through more accurate insights and actionable recommendations. About the author, Mathieu K. Guanou is a visionary business analysis leader and AI integration expert with over 20 years of experience transforming organizations across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Passionate about evolving the role of BAs in the AI era, he pioneers innovative approaches to business analysis, blending traditional methodologies with cutting-edge AI and prompt engineering techniques. Member of the Harvard Business Review Advisory Council, HBR.org. He's a sought-after speaker and thought leader, known for his AI BA Fusion framework, prompt engineering playbook, and prompt paradigm, redefining BA excellence in the AI era. This groundbreaking and revolutionary framework, personalized, responsive, optimized, multifaceted, predictive transformation, prompt for next-gen business analysis. Today, Mathieu shares his groundbreaking insights on how BAs can leverage AI and advanced prompt engineering to revolutionize their practice and become indispensable strategic assets in any organization. Contact information: mathieu.guanou@gmail.com.